How to fix Earth. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and comment down below. So we're gonna talk about how to help Earth and how to prevent plastic from going to the ocean. Number one, when you see a plastic down the street and it's flying away, please try to get it, because if it goes to the ocean, it could poison other fishes. And some turtles think that it looks like jellyfishes, so they eat it and they choke to death. Yeah, pretty brutal. Anyway, once you throw it in the trash can, hopefully it doesn't get out. If it does, please pick it up again. Alright, number two, okay, oh yeah, please make posters around, like, your city or town, whatever, or your village, I'm not sure, but, draw, like, cool, awesome, effective, save the world, clean up plastic poster thing, and just print them, make like 5,000 of those, and just tape them on the walls. Hopefully your neighbors don't get mad and hit you with a bat. Yeah, another brutal thing that could happen to you. Number three, try out going to the beach up, clean up. Maybe you could go with your friends, so it might be a bit more fun. I don't think it's personally boring. It's actually pretty fun. So you could just join them. You don't have to join them, but you could, like, when you go to the beach, you could just pick it up with your parents or your friends, whoever you're going with, or yourself. Okay, number four, or did I just say number four? Okay, I'm getting so confused. Okay, let's just say it's number four. Number four, it's just, please do not throw plastic on the floor. I've seen dozens of my friends throwing it sometimes on the floor, so I help them out because, please do not be lazy. I'm not even sure how that is, like, is it really hard to put a plastic in a trash can? It's not too hard, it's just right there. Please throw it. If you see a garbage can, please throw the plastic in the trash can unless it's important to you. Yeah. And also, I also seen many trash cans filled with plastic that's literally just coming out. And it just smells bad. Flies on you. It's disgusting. So please try throwing it to another plastic or trash can, since it won't fly again. Somewhere, it's just not gonna be even effective if the trash is laid out of the trash can, if that even makes sense. Next, 5, please eat at restaurants. I know it's COVID right now, so maybe not now, but once we're out of this corona quarantine, whatever this thing is, try eating in restaurants or something to prevent it, to, like, so you're not eating something wrapped in plastic or something in plastic. Like, for example, if I go to a restaurant and if I say to go, they usually have a plastic bin or some type of plastic item to store the food in. And usually those plastic are recycle. You could recycle them. It's still harmful. You should not throw it to the wilderness because it will cause harm. And it also poisons our food, because if fishes eat these plastic garbage waste, we also eat it too. So if you're not a fish fan or some sort, if you're not an animal fan and you only like yourself, think about yourself poisoned. That sucks. So yeah, not a brutal thing that could happen. Alright, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe and like. Comment down below if this video is good. Hopefully you don't say it's bad, but okay, I'm out. Peace.